Hello everybody. Today we will start our 8th chapter charts in Calci. Now in our daily routine life, you know very well what is chart. A chart, we directly go to main definition. A chart is also considered as a graphical presentation of a numeric data. Underline this line, this is very important. Same way this line is also important. Charts are illustration of business situation with ability to display satisfaction amount of information in attractive way. Suppose you want to show suppose any day our principal called me and asked me, tell me the result of last 5 years of 10th standard. If I can write a numeric number, but if I can prepare a chart will be the better for understanding the data. To prepare a chart, one needs to basic knowledge about the various charts, concept, underlying to chart patterns and their application. That is just by selecting a chart type and creating a chart. Now, there are multiple types of chart. For chart, underline this line. A chart is considered as a graphical presentation of a data. Otherwise, charts are illustration of business situation with ability to display significant amount of information in attractive way. Types of chart. Comparison. Why we are using chart? For comparison, for understanding situation, for analysis. So according to the nature of application and requirement, a chart type should be selected. Charts are used for various purposes such as telling history, evaluate alternatives, presenting trends, for find exceptional cases. That means an incorrect choice of chart can lead to poor representation of concept. So popular reason why we are creating chart: for comparison, for demonstration, for understanding of situation, for analysis of trend over the time. This line is very important. This will come for the filling the blanks. Dash are used for analysis of trend over the time, for investigating deviations, and for identifying and understanding the relationship between entities. So what will be happen after preparing chart? Make it clear what you want to say. Select and arrange data, remove invalid data. Determine the best chart type. Prepare a chart and format a chart. Inserting chart. How we can insert? Go to insert and go to chart menu. This is a simple demonstration of creating a chart. Suppose these are the types of chart. I will show you simple selecting chart type, how we can update that. This all here, they all are given the steps. Data series, what is data series? You must underline this. The clear wizard also, the chart wizard also allow you to customize data range for the chart preparation. Here we use the selected automatically by wizard. So data elements, you must read the whole chapter because from this chapter we have only few questions, but practical must be important. In practical exam, we will ask this. This is a bar chart or column chart. Elements of chart: chart area, x-axis and y-axis. If I want to prepare a chart, both axes should be important. Data area, legend, data series. Data series means what? From which data you want to create a chart. Legend, the chart is kind of drawing. Data area, the data area within a chart area automatically holds the chart. So these all are the content of the charts. An alternative way to create a chart. There is also another way. Chart type. You want to change, modifying and place and size of chart. How we can modify the chart? Now I will tell you by practical. See, formatting chart area. How we can format the chart. Formatting titles to the axis. Now we will create here a chart. Right click, new. Due to some reason, I will show you chart in Excel due to unable to open OpenOffice here. Suppose name, I have two data. Raj 70%, Abhi 98%, Sudhir 35%, Shmi 65%, Hina 55%. Suppose this is my data. I want to prepare a chart from it. Before creating a chart, we must select the data, then go to insert menu, go to chart. These all are the chart types. Right now I just want to select 2D column chart. See, are you able to see Raj 70%? Suppose you want to eat I hope you will be better understand how I am creating here chart. Just select data. You want to change the color of this percentage, you just select it and change the color. I hope you will get it. You want to change the data, you want to give the title to the chart, percentage it's take automatically. You want to change, chart title. Result sheet. Whatever you want to give, you can update. You want to change the chart type, just select here, home, insert, line chart. This is a line chart. You want to pie chart, 2D 6. Raj, Abhi, Sudhir, Rashmi, other chart, .NET. See, percentage, Hina is 55%. See, Hina is 55%. This way you can able to, if you want to change the chart pattern, we again go to as usual our old chart. I hope you will be clear. This is our first chart which we create. This is simplest way to create the chart. If you change the percentage here, are you getting this? If you can do any change here, it will automatically change here. I hope you are able to see how to create a chart. I again tell you, suppose this is my data. I will select the whole data before going to create a chart. Go to insert menu, click on chart. By default, column chart is selected. This is our column chart. You want to change the color, just click here. See, Raj has 70%. If you can change Rashmi, now you want to Rashmi for 25. Are you getting this? Is automatically. You want to change the chart type, just click here, go to insert, line chart, pie chart. Which chart you want to create, bar chart. I hope you will be getting. This is a simple way to create the chart. So you must be know this is a x-axis and y-axis. You want to give title to your x-axis, just click on it. Border color you want to color, border style you want to give style. So these all are the simple definition of our chart. Format grid lines, change data type, what you want to do, we can able to here to do the update. Right click. These all are the chart type. So this is a simple way to create the chart. I hope you will be clear the how to create a chart. If you have any doubt, this is a, now next topic is theoretical topic. This is called legend. This is a x-axis title. This is y. This is a y-axis title. How to give title? Right click. You must be know how to update it. Today we will conclude here. In our next session, we will continue how to share, how to update the legend and all the data of the chart.